Hello everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your browser history on Microsoft Edge. This is a very quick and simple tutorial, so let's jump right into it without wasting any second. So it's very simple, just go to these three dots right there in the top right corner, and here go to history, and if you love shortcuts, just tap on Control H, and here you'll get the history. Control and H. As you can see here, history. And now go to the three dots right over here and tab on clean history data. And now please choose here. It's up to you, so you should check or uncheck the way you prefer. If you want this or this, but I'll go with all of it. And time range, this is important as well. If you want all your browser history, select all time, and now tab on clean now. Clean now, like right now. Okay, so that's all you need to do. I hope this video provides you with value. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.